Hi everybody, I'm Mark the Director Judson.
Jonathan Law Dog Fontenot.
Native of Cameron Parish, a local guy in Calcasieu. Welcome to another edition of Law Talk. Law Talk is a public service of the Southwest Louisiana Law Center and CBS Lake Charles. This issue of this installment of Law Talk, security deposits. Are they real or is it just a cleaning fee?
Now, a lot of people don't know this. The security deposit is just to secure the lease. A lot of landlords, a majority of landlords, keeping it.
Now, wait a minute. Okay, so I enter into a lease with a landlord. They usually require 1 month's advance deposit.
Right.
And they call it a security deposit.
See, if it's called a security deposit, they can't use it to clean because it's not a cleaning deposit.
Well, when would I need to clean?
Well, when you move out, you're entitled to your security deposit back. What the landlords, some of them don't know, but some of them know that if you are asking for $750 or $1,000 back, you probably don't have $2 or $3 or $4 or $5 grand to plop down to a lawyer to go get your $1,000 back. What they don't know, what they hope you don't know, is that you get attorney's fees back if you have to sue to get your security deposit back. What you need to do is ask for it in writing, no phone calls. But anyway, one of the things the landlord will do will say, you made a mess, we had to clean it up. Once again, it's a security deposit, it secured your place. It didn't secure a clean place. By the way, they'll say you made a mess. They're supposed to take pictures of that mess. They can't just say, trust me, I had to paint everything and clean everything. They have a crew that does that anyway.
Is there anything I as a tenant can do to protect myself in case there's a false accusation that I made?
Take pictures before you move, date them somehow so that you can say, this is what it looks like.
Maybe a witness or two.
A witness or two, because they're going to say there was a mess, and they may show pictures of some other department and say, look what he did, look what the tenant did, I had to clean up. So you want to take pictures. Thanks for that question. Number two, you want to ask for the deposit in writing. If you don't get a response within 3 days, then take that written request and go to an attorney. They won't give them back the security deposit. You still may need to pay the attorney something, but it's worth the attorney's time because they can, the rare occasion when you can get attorney's fees back.
Now, every once in a while, when there's a decent relationship between the landlord and the tenant, sometimes the landlord may, out of his good graces, accept the security deposit as a last month's rent payment. Sometimes there may be a little disagreement as to how bad the apartment is and maybe agree to half of it back.
Well, since you have a written lease, whatever agreements you do, make sure that's in writing too.
Of course. So, security deposits. It is not just a cleaning fee if it is stated in a written lease as a security deposit. Special attorney's fees available in the event that the tenant is wrongfully withheld the security deposit.
Be aware, if you want, just Google Louisiana Landlord Tenant Law Deposits and you'll find out.
For Jonathan the Law Dog Fontenot, I'm Mark the Director Judson. This has been another edition of Law Talk, a public service of the Southwest Louisiana Law Center and CBS Lake Charles.